Unraveling Paid Off, dive into its meaning. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to demystify a common English phrase, paid off. By the end of this video, you'll understand its various meanings and know how to use it in conversations. When we hear the word pay, we often think about giving money for a service or a product. In its most direct sense, paid off means that a debt or a loan has been fully settled or cleared. Example, after 5 years of hard work, she paid off her student loans. In this instance, it means the student loans that she owed have been completely paid. Apart from its literal meaning, paid off has a figurative sense too. It's often used to describe a situation where someone's hard work, efforts, or investments result in a positive outcome or benefit. Examples: his dedication to practicing the guitar every day really paid off when he was selected for the city's jazz band. Studying late into the night paid off for Maria when she scored the top grade in her class. In these examples, paid off doesn't refer to money. Instead, it's emphasizing the reward or positive outcome from one's dedication or efforts. Now, let's look at some everyday sentences to see how you can use this phrase. 1. All those hours at the gym have paid off. You look great. 2. It paid off to arrive early. We got the best seats. 3. His strategy in the game paid off, leading his team to victory. Notice how paid off adds a sense of achievement to the sentences? That's the beauty of this phrase. And there you have it. The phrase, paid off, isn't just about clearing debts. It's also a wonderful way to talk about the fruits of hard work and perseverance. We hope this video has paid off for you in terms of understanding and enriching your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.